Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Awesome Codings. I am Manch Singhal welcoming you to my channel. Back with a new video in the C programming tutorial series. So in this video we are gonna learn about pointers. So let's start without wasting time. Before that guys, if you haven't accessed our playlist on C programming tutorials, access this now. The link is in description. I have uploaded many videos on this series as you can see on screen. So save it anywhere. Let's start with the code. So here I am back in my VS Code. So let me make a new file here, pointers.c, pointers.c. Here it is. Let me increase the font. Yeah. Now the main basic snippet, not this one. So guys, what is pointer? Pointer is something that stores the address of a variable or any data. So pointer stores the address of the data as a variable. I mean, if you make a variable, obviously it has a address in your disk. The pointer stores the address in it. So let me show you the syntax of pointer. Pointer syntax. So the syntax is you have to define it like a normal variable. Uh, Generally it is int because it is address, and you have to define it by star and then name of pointer and then colon semicolon. This is the syntax of defining a pointer. Let me make a pointer here, int star ptr, and let me make a new variable also, int a is equals to, let it be 10, and ptr is equals to %a. That means ptr is the address of a. That means the pointer is the address of a variable. So this is the pointer example. Let me show you by printing it. Printf. Let us print the a first. The value of a is %d /n, and then a here, and then again the value of ptr is, and here ptr. Now run the code. Here as you can see, it is giving a is 10 and ptr is the 6-digit number along, as it is the address of a on your disk. You can access the variable using the pointer's name. So let me show you. For that you have to call the pointer including star. If you make here star ptr, it will call a. Let me run the code. Here as you can see, the value of a is 10 and ptr is 10, not ptr. Let me make it more precise. Yeah, now value of a is 10 and star ptr is also 10 because star ptr is a.